The first one is after party. Hey, no, listen.
Thank you, shut up.
Next Saturday, all the teams we are invited and all the fans next Saturday. So please be there. Okay? Yes, I'm coming into that. All the teams who come there, the reality, this one costs like, I think about 10 euros or something. But the team members will pay only 4 euros. But I need from all the teams the list of the players. Yeah, all the list of the players, so that when you go, the players, they pay only 4 euros in. And I would love if Nigeria will bring the big cup there also, because then we can, enjoy more. But I need a name list. If your name is not in the list, it's useless coming and telling them, by the way, I'm from Senegal, because you don't pay, or you pay full price, okay? And the second thing, we have our brother here, Brother Abdul, okay, who is here, applauding because he's doing a good job. And we take him to come here today because we saw that he's going into the system in Finland, and his only goal is to get what the Africans need. I have been talking to him, I have watched him on TV talking. It's why I invite him, if he can come, talk to you very quick, and then give the medal and tell you about this very shortly, because I see the Nigerians, they want.
We love you, brother. We love you. 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 We love you.
Yes, so brother, we
love you. See you
guys, down.
Please, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, it's good that you hear me. First of all, I want to say that, thank God, I'm an African.
One Africa.
I say this.
One Africa.
I say this because there are some of you, or some Africans that believe Somalians are not Africans, but we are, and I can prove that because that drum is speaking to me, brothers. When that drum sings, I feel me going like this inside. So that is why I know I'm an African. I brought this with me today. We don't have a microphone. I will not be able to speak a lot. And I know you guys already have got some of this. So my aim is that the African man in Finland does not have to be represented anymore. We have to represent ourselves. We have to represent ourselves. And by representing ourselves, I mean by sitting in the decision-making tables. We are not there. We have brothers with 3 master's degrees who are cleaning the streets. What are we telling these small kids? What are we telling these small kids? One of the reasons why that is happening is because we are not sitting in those decision-making tables. I want to represent us. I want to represent this small kid. And I say, Africa unite. I say the Finnish Africans unite. I thank all my brothers, Mr. Ayo, Mr. Sabi, Mr. Makan, and all the other organizers of this tournament. I thank very much from the bottom of my heart all the African teams who have come here. I salute the Gambians. You did not lose. Your brothers won, Gambia. If the Gambians are here, they have to know they did not lose, but their brothers won. And you guys did not win, but you lost with your brothers, but you also won. So we win together, and we fall down together and won.
Good talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you, brothers. God bless you, all of you. God bless the Africans.
Hey, stay straight in the line. Please, guys, go back.
And thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Push back. Stay on the line.
All the whole corner, direct.
This is our dream. Our dream to touch this cup. We are young Nigerian players. We are living in Finland, and the competition have already finished today. This is the end of the competition, and Nigeria will take it, and it's our happiness, and everything is moving. That is the giant of Africa, and we made it. And I pray that some of the players here, including me, even if I didn't play for today, but I pray that some of the players, their dream will surely come to pass. That we believe that God, who make us to arrange this, the next league is going to go more higher. It's going to be arranged more because of Nigeria. I've already made it, and we continue making Nigeria proud. And God have already promised Nigeria that we are the winning people. And I believe that everything is going to finish like that. Okay, thank you very much.
They're gonna give us cup. Let's go. Let's go. Di Matteo. Can you name me? How much you can have? YouTube direct. Sorry. Of course, People will comment on it. One love. And I want to be here to my Lord.